Because I offer free phone consultations, I'm often asked by home service business owners, how can I make sure my ad shows up first on Google? The short answer is, that's the wrong question to ask. The better question is, how does Google decide which ads to show first and why? Today, I'll walk you through how the Google Ads auction really works and what it means for your business. To understand the Google Ads auction, you have to first understand Google's business model. There are three players. The first player is Google, and Google wants to make money. Then there's the users. Those are the people who search Google to find answers, not ads. And finally, there's the advertisers who want to get in front of the users. They want to make money too. Google has to balance all three players. If users see junk ads, they stop trusting Google. If advertisers can't reach customers, they stop spending. So Google created a system that rewards relevance and quality, not just deep pockets. When someone hits search, Google instantly runs an auction behind the scenes. It compares every advertiser bidding on those keywords using a formula called ad rank. Ad rank equals maximum CPC, cost per click, or what you're willing to pay, times the quality score. So, no, the top spot doesn't always go to the highest bidder. It goes to the advertiser with the best combination of bid and quality. Think of quality score as Google's secret sauce. You don't need to know the full recipe, but here's what we do know. Expected click-through rate, that's how likely are people to click on your ad. Ad relevance, does your ad match what the user typed? And the landing page experience, does your page load fast? Is it mobile friendly? Do people stick around? If Google thinks your ad and website give user a great experience, you can outrank someone who is bidding more than you. Let's say you and two competitors are bidding on septic tank replacement. You're bidding $15, they're bidding $20. But your landing page is fast, your ad matches the search exactly, and people stay on your site. You might win the top spot, even though you're paying less per click. Why? Because Google's trying to give the user the best possible experience. So, the next time you wonder why you're not showing up first, remember, it's not just about how much you spend. It's about the quality of your ads, your landing pages, and how well you match what the user is looking for. If you'd like help improving your ad quality and showing up higher for less, I offer free consultations. Just click the link below and grab a time on my calendar.